Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Amazon ads to your Amazon store for optimization. Beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Amazon ads to your Amazon store for optimization, start by logging into your Amazon seller account. Navigate to the Advertising tab in the top menu. Select Campaign Manager from the drop-down options. Once you're in Campaign Manager, click on the Create Campaign button. Choose the type of campaign that suits your product goals. For this guide, we will focus on sponsored products. Click on Continue to move to the next step. Now, select the products you want to promote. You can search for products by name or SKU for convenience. Once you've selected your products, click Next to proceed. Next, set your campaign name to easily identify it later. Decide on your daily budget based on your advertising strategy. Select the campaign duration or choose ongoing for continuous promotion. Then, adjust your bids for each product to optimize your ad performance. After setting your bids, click on Next. Now, it's time to choose between automatic targeting and manual targeting options. Automatic targeting allows Amazon to select relevant keywords for you. Manual targeting gives you greater control over specific keywords and product targeting. Select the option that aligns with your advertising goals. Once you've made your selection, continue to the next step. Review all the details you've entered in the previous steps. If everything looks good, click on Launch Campaign to activate your ads. Your Amazon ads will now be connected to your Amazon store for optimization. Monitor your campaign performance regularly through the Campaign Manager. Make adjustments to your bids and targeting as needed to enhance results. Utilizing Amazon ads effectively can significantly drive traffic to your store. Stay informed about best practices to continually optimize your advertising strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.